ready to unleash your inner TikTok star and create videos that grab attention. First, tap the plus button at the bottom center of your screen to start a new video. This takes you to the recording screen. Now, tap and hold the red record button to start filming your first clip. Release it to stop. You can record multiple clips to create your video scene by see the timer icon. Tap that if you need to record hands-free. Music is key. Tap add sound at the top, browse trending songs, or search for your favorite track. Select the part of the song you want to use by dragging the waveform. Tap the checkmark to confirm. Time for some magic. On the right-hand side, you'll find a toolbar. Tap filters to explore different visual styles. Experiment with different filters to find one that suits your video. Want to add text? Tap the text icon at the bottom of the screen. Type your message. Choose a font, color, and size. Then drag it to the perfect spot on your video. You can even set how long the text appears using the duration tool. Let's spice things up with effects. Tap the effects icon on the left. You'll find tons of options, from stickers and transitions to augmented reality effects. Find something that enhances your video. Balance the audio by tapping the volume button on the right toolbar. Adjust the original sound and added music levels so that they complement each other. Make sure your voice or actions are heard clearly over the music. Almost there. Tap next. Write a catchy caption. Add relevant hashtags like TikTok tips and video creation to help people find your video, and choose a compelling cover image. Finally, tap post. Your video is now live for the world to see. Now go get creative and have fun.